Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan. Hello everyone, how have you been? I hope you all are staying healthy and happy following the activity with me. Okay. Today, every Friday, we will do physical activity and let's do warming up first to avoid injury during sport.
Okay, jumping jacks, open and up your
Let's
leg
count
and
1,
arms.
2, 8.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Next is lunge. Do it like running in slow motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Next, squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, hip rotations. Count until 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, turn to knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now hop in position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now do leg as 1. Hold your legs. Count until 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now take a breath. Okay. Inhale through your nose so the air enters your belly, and then exhale through your mouth. Now, can you roll on this mattress? Look, Miss Nining can do it. Can you do it at home? Yes, it's Miss Nining. Miss Nining will show you how to roll on the mattress. And don't do it on the floor, but do it on the mattress. Okay, this is the last workout. Sit up. So you sit properly and lie down your back on the mattress and cross your arms behind your head. Then do sit up and down, up and down. Do it 3 times.
That's all our activity today. I hope you enjoyed the sport activity. Do it frequently every morning or every afternoon before taking a bath, so we will stay healthy. So stay safe at home, stay happy, because when we happy, we will stay healthy. Thank you everyone. Bye.